Okay, the next tie is the half Windsor, the smaller brother of the Windsor. Full Windsor, double Windsor, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same thing. So this is the half Windsor. So we start again, right side with the blade, left side with the tail, approximately the same length. And we start exactly the same way. And we pass it round the back the same way as the full Windsor. We bring it back through and down, like so. But instead of now coming across here and bringing it back through, we just come across, back and through. So it's exactly the same, but we're not passing it back through twice, just once. That's what makes it a half Windsor as opposed to a full. So I like this knot. I don't like it as much as the full Windsor, but you can still achieve that nice symmetrical shape. And again, the right length, about 1 inch above your belt. Stick that bad boy in there. So you keep it together. And there you have it. The half Windsor knot. Pull down the collar. And got that lovely symmetrical, but slightly smaller knot compared to the full Windsor. Half Windsor knot. Enjoy.